Mr. Justice P. Sadashivam, Judge Supreme Court of India and Executive Chairman NALSA, respected and most gracious Madam Ms. Saraswati Sadashivam, Honorable Mr. Justice K.J. Sengupta, Chief Justice of the Andhra Pradesh High Court and Patron-in-Chief of the APSLSA, Honorable Mr. Justice E. Rao, Judge High Court of Madras and Executive Chairman Tamil Nadu State Legal Services Authority, Honorable Mr. Justice K. Sridhar Rao, Judge High Court of Karnataka and Executive Chairman Karnataka SLSA, Honorable Dr. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Judge High Court of Bombay, Member NALSA and Executive Chairman Maharashtra SLSA, Honorable Mr. Justice K.M. Joseph, Judge High Court of Kerala and Executive Chairman Kerala SLSA, Honorable Mr. Justice N.V. Ramana, Judge High Court of Andhra Pradesh and Executive Chairman Andhra Pradesh SLSA, Honorable Judges of the Andhra Pradesh High Court, Learned Member Secretary AP SLSA, Ms. Akhila Shivdas, the Learned Advocate General AP, Learned District Judges Chairpersons and Secretaries from various states, members of the bar, members of the media, TGs, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable Mr. Justice Sadashivam has already been introduced to you, but I would like to take this opportunity to add a few more things about His Lordship. In January this year, Honorable Justice Sadashivam took over as the Executive Chairman of NALSA, and in this short span he has already impacted our working. This time it was His Lordship's decision to insist on every state adopting a project for focused implementation during the course of the year. And that is one reason why we have Gujarat amongst us today, though we were centering on the southern states. It is their program to help HIV people this year. This is in addition to the NALSA and state plans and calendar of activities. This seminar has also been possible only because of His Lordship's support and initiative. I take this opportunity to express my deep felt gratitude to His Lordship for all the support and guidance that I have received from him. Though His Lordship often reminds me of the judgments that needed to be written, never once has His Lordship given less importance to legal services work or turned me away, even on a Thursday evening. In fact, His Lordship makes it a point to come to the NALSA office every Monday after the court hours to personally review the activities of NALSA and the state authorities. I am sure the judicial officers present would follow the example set by one who has reached the pinnacle of success through hard work and would not ignore legal services on the plea of judicial work. It is a privilege to welcome you, sir. Honorable Justice K.J. Sengupta has also been introduced to you already. We were witness to his enthusiastic support for legal services activities in Chennai at our national meet, and I extend a warm welcome to you, sir. Honorable Mr. Justice N.V. Ramana, after enrolling practiced in the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, Central and AP Administrative Tribunals and the Supreme Court of India in vast jurisdictions ranging from civil to constitutional and election matters. He was appointed the Additional Advocate General of the state of Andhra Pradesh. His Lordship was elevated as Judge of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh on 27 June 2000. During his 13 years tenure as Judge, he has disposed of 60,000 cases and now more, I'm sure. His Lordship has actively participated in seminars on varied subjects such as empowerment of women and judicial activism, gender justice, environment, human rights, etc. His Lordship has also conducted a unique one-day seminar by bringing the judicial officers and the general public together to an open platform to discuss sexual violence against women, issues and challenges. The participants, after day-long deliberations, made suggestions and recommendations to the Justice Verma Commission for amending the criminal law. I welcome you, sir, to this seminar. I also welcome Mrs. Saraswati Sadashivam and all the honorable judges of the Andhra Pradesh High Court and who have graced this occasion to enhance its prestige. I welcome the Learned Advocate General. I also welcome all the Learned Member Secretaries, Learned District Chairpersons and Secretaries from the 5 participating states, and hope you all would benefit from this participation. I also extend a warm welcome to the members of the bar, the media, the participants from the community-based organizations and the communities who have come from the different states. Today is a significant day as it brings together the justice deliverers and the consumers of justice together in an effort to better understand each other. This effort began in New Delhi in 2011 when the NALSA, in coordination with the Delhi SLSA, organized a seminar on issues relating to transgenders. That seminar was an eye-opener for many, including myself, as it brought into sharp focus the plight and concerns of a group of people who seem to have just fallen off the horizon for all who matter. We live with deep prejudices. Thus, we need to acknowledge that whenever there is a reference to sex workers, it evokes a negative reaction in us. But why is it that when we are careful about the rights of accused persons, including those accused of or convicted of rape and murder, we turn away when a sex worker hopes for the protection of the law? The Honorable Supreme Court has always upheld the right to dignity of a woman, going to the extent of declaring that even a prostitute has protection against rape, and her dignity cannot be violated because of her profession. Why should the legal services then lag behind? There are several issues such as violation of human rights, property rights, domestic violence, education of children, discrimination, and HIV-related issues which call for legal intervention. However, as the communities are so much marginalized, they are unable to seek redressal for the wrongs done to them. Firstly, they do not know that they have rights about which we should make them aware. The communities may be diffident of approaching us on account of the treatment they receive in society, and therefore it is important that we reach out to them. Today we shall be sharing experiences from different states and also felicitating good work to highlight how effective collaboration between the CBOs and the community members on the one hand and the legal services authorities on the other hand can actualize the promise of the Constitution of justice to all citizens and achieve our mandate of access to justice for all. I once again welcome you all to this very important seminar. Thank you.